हमने आपका सेशन अटेंड किया था, तो मैं सेशन से एक क्वेश्चन पुट अप करना चाहती हूँ. आपने बोला था कि जैसे कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड हो तो वो इंस्टाग्राम में भी अपना वीडियो डाल सकते हैं. फ्रॉम वेयर देयर आल्सो यू गाइस कैन सिलेक्ट, राइट? बट हाउ फेयर इज इट फॉर द वंस हु आर एक्चुअली नॉट वेरी एक्टिव in any social media? Is it fair for talented people like them?
I think the idea is that let yourself be seen somewhere. आप प्ले करो जहाँ पे प्लेज होते हैं या जहाँ पे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स या उनकी टीम्स होती है, वहाँ के थिएटर में उनको इनवाइट करो. Somebody should see your talent, right? That's the key. So it could be through short films, through plays, or through Instagram or some YouTube video. Something or the other should be done to make yourself visible to the concerned people.
So I feel that also actors need to be aware of the time, right? So right now, Instagram, there was a time when websites were there. Now, I don't think anybody really goes to a website. There was a time that, you used to come and drop your photographs in different casting offices, etc. Open calls, lambe line, people are standing for days on end. Practices change with each time. Currently, Instagram is a space where it's creator forward, right? So you have control over whatever you put there. So use it. As an actor, I think that try things. If it isn't for you, it's only after you try it you'll know. But to be seen, if you're doing things, one of the great places to archive your journey as an actor is Instagram or any such thing like that. I mean, Facebook also was huge. Now it isn't. So things will change and we all adapt according to that. Where were casting directors on Instagram? Now every casting director is on Instagram. Right? So we all learn to adapt. I think it's very important for actors also to have that as in their process. They should learn to adapt.
Okay, my next question is, see, everyone goes to Mumbai, Sapno Ki Nagari, to become a director, writer, actor. But casting director are very few.
I began my journey as an assistant director and who was given the job of casting. This was back in 2003 when super specialization in films wasn't there. There were 3-4 ADs जिसको बोला था तू एक casting संभाल, तू art संभाल, तू costume संभाल, तू set संभाल. ऐसा होता था. तो मुझे casting का काम दे दिया गया था. वो मैं कर रहा था 2 महीने प्री प्रोडक्शन में और उसके बाद जब फिल्म का शूट हो रहा था, I was a continuity person. And once the film went into post-production is when the director of Black Friday, Anurag, he told me कि मैं तुझे casting director की credit दे रहा हूँ. मैं बोला ये क्या होता है, ऐसा होता है क्या करके. Then I came to know कि अच्छा Hollywood में casting की एक credit होती है अलग. And that's how I landed as a casting director.
So I grew up in Calcutta. I was always part of theatre. And I studied mass communication. I went into television. I was doing KBC in the South, Bonvita quiz contest. And it was just a chance. Meera Nair came to Calcutta to shoot Namesake, and she was looking for a home. And my art director was her art director. And she didn't take my home, but she made me quit my job, as I always say. And she took a chance on me. So wo jo, that I think that ethos of taking a chance, I didn't know what casting was. I loved actors. So it was just an opportunity to take something that I loved watching on screen and to reimagine it. And if you're a person who, like me, I've grown up with cinema, I read a lot. So it was suddenly taking all these magical things and kind of saying that, oh, wouldn't it be fun to imagine this person, this person? And for me, it really snowballed from there. Like I didn't know about what the credit meant. I remember being shown Namesake and the whole crew standing and saying, look at where your credit is. And from that, my producer was common. Then I got Wes Anderson's Darjeeling Limited. Then I got my writer was common. Then I got Little Zizou. Then, it just snowballed one into the other. All my work has been thanks to goodwill and word of mouth. I don't think I've actually I can't imagine a project where, I've gone and just done meetings. It's always been in Hollywood that someone's worked with you and said, hey, you should work with this person. And it's very collaborative in globally. So you actually, many projects, you don't see one casting director's name, you see more than one. So that's, I think, the big difference in terms of that. And it's also very new talent forward. So I'm always looking for someone new. Sometimes it's a non-actor, sometimes it's someone out of NSD or any of the acting schools and spaces. So just to give you how niche it is, the first casting directors course is actually in UK. And it's run by this generation of cast directors. So if you've, seen Shaheen Beg's name, who did Adolescence, etc., she's one of the consultants and the team. I teach at SRFTI and I teach producers and directors about casting. So they understand that this is an integral part to doing your film. It will be there. I know in my heart that in the FTIs and the SRFTIs, there will be a course, and I think we'll end up all being the old professors who will be doing the course and teaching people. I'd love to. It should be there.
I think there is a award for Academy Award.
Yeah,
for-
this is the first year.
Casting.
Yeah, this is the first year of casting as an Academy Award category.
It's a very difficult.
Also that it's become so much more, the ensemble has become the heart of everything. We've gone away from just, single star spaces. So as long as the ensemble, if you're telling stories through more than one character, casting is extremely important.
Thank you so much for your time. Yeah.